हर साल की तरह इस साल भी अक्टूबर के महीने में स्टॉकहोम से एक कॉल आता है साइंटिस्ट को या रिसर्चर को जिनको नोबेल प्राइज मिलने वाला होता है, चाहे वो फिजिक्स हो, केमिस्ट्री हो या फिजियोलॉजी हो, एंड ऑफ कोर्स लिटरेचर। इस साल के नोबेल प्राइजेस के बारे में हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं एंड we'll also have a casual discussion in a more serious tone about why India hasn't gotten the Nobel Prize in so long. देखो यार, I am not an expert on chemistry or biology. I'm not even an expert in physics right now. I am into that field. It's going to take some time. But my take on this might give you some perspective on क्यों अभी भी इंडिया में we are setting the pace to maybe do some Nobel Prize worthy research. I'm not saying the research that Indian labs do is not Nobel Prize worthy, but there must be some reason कि अभी तक हम लोग notice में नहीं आ रहे, आते भी हैं, we are getting nominated. Like ECG Sudarshan got nominated multiple times, but never really got the Nobel Prize. So let's talk about that in this video. It's pretty cool. So let's talk about Nobel Prize in this video. So hi everyone, I'm Sagar, and in this video, as we discuss, we talk about the Nobel Prizes. देखो यार, इस साल के Nobel Prizes काफी ज़्यादा important रहे हैं from their impact on the global science in general. सारे ही रहते हैं, but I feel this year कुछ ज़्यादा ही I can see on social media people are talking about it. Scientists now understand how the regulatory T cells or however immune system is in some sense preventing itself from attacking itself. So that's what I understand. It had to do with the central gene. एक FOXP3 बोल के gene होता है, which in some sense is like a diplomat, tells the body, no, this is good, this is bad, something like that. I am no expert, but this is what I understand. For chemistry also, इस साल का Nobel Prize has been in wait quite a long time. मतलब as far as I understand, this research on metal organic frameworks or MOFs in general is quite huge or quite old. काफी टाइम से लोग इस पे रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, have been writing about it, have been studying them, have been trying to understand what kind of molecules they can have so that their structures and their surface area have a very interesting property. Particularly in this case, the research done by all three scientists who won the Nobel Prize has to do with the fact that the molecule itself has some structure or the surface area that it can encompass is the size of a football field. Something like this. I'm not sure. I'm no expert, but that's what I understand so far. And it has to do with the fact कि कैसे वो फिर carry कर सकता है different kinds of structures को, it can mold into those and it can have different kinds of things stuck into it. So it's pretty interesting, like a Lego piece, but in much more complicated sense. Well, physics this year has been pretty good because it's all about quantum mechanics, right? So for this year, they have awarded the three scientists the Nobel Prize for doing something quite interesting. You know how the quantum world is quite tiny. Not anymore. Now the quantum world has been, well, brought to the size of your palm. Quite literally, they have done something quite unimaginable. Or let's say they have done what was predicted from a long time and have finally achieved that. अभी उन्होंने quantum tunneling करा दिया through a bigger macroscopic piece of electronic material. And that is huge. Remember, मैंने पहले कितनी बार Instagram पे videos बनाए where I try to walk through walls just like in Harry Potter or something, and I say, okay, you cannot do that, but an electron can do that. Now they have pieces of material that literally mimicked this thing, or let's say they show this property of quantum tunneling on a macroscopic scale. The details are quite nitty, and if you want, इस पे एक detailed video मैं बना सकता हूँ, आराम से हम discuss करेंगे how this is a big deal and what implications this has in quantum technology, quantum information, and things like that. This is huge, right? आज से पहले the classical understanding of quantum mechanics, which is a oxymoron in itself, was that people cannot see quantum stuff, right? It's just small, it's at the scale of atoms or molecules, बहुत छोटा है. But now we finally can, well, say bravely कि yes, this exists at the scale of your hand. I mean, I have been exaggerating this analogy far too long, but I think that's what it is exactly. So इस साल का Nobel Prize in physics has been this. So ये थे तीनों science के Nobel Prizes. In peace as well as in literature, it's different, and I don't think it's a good idea to talk about those in this video. But that's what it was for the Nobel Prizes in science. अब आने वाले सेक्शन में इस वीडियो के हम बात करते हैं कि how you can be a contributing person to the scientific understanding of our universe, and in general as a student in India, how you can proceed further. As an Indian student, आपकी कुछ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है. देखो, irrespective of what institute, what college you are a part of, you need to do well in science, right? If you are passionate about research, you need to study well, you need to be able to, well, not only score well, you need to be able to contribute to global science, right? Niche में काम करो अपने, yes, important, but also think about what it might end up giving to the world. That is not always how it works, but it's good to think about it once in a while. So let's see how you can actually try to contribute to this. So बहुत जरूरी है कि आप लोग internships करो, बहुत जरूरी है कि आप लोग अच्छे internships का हिस्सा बनने की कोशिश करो, अपने CV को इस तरह से mold करो that you have the bullet points in your CV that state, yes, I have worked hard for my career, I have worked hard for these things and I have some quality results to show for. तो ये तो रहा आपका contribution to your career. Now how does it really come into play? You apply to certain programs, चाहे वो किसी IISER में हो, किसी IIT में हो, या उनके बाहर हो, इंडिया के बाहर हो, या आप DRDO, ISRO, BARC, जिनके साथ भी आपको काम करना है, उनके जो programs है, you become a part of those, you try to see what our nation is trying to achieve. क्योंकि देखो, India has produced good scientists, like historically and even presently, a lot of people are doing really good science. I'm not sure political भी है कि नहीं, but for some reason, Indian scientists are somehow overlooked. I don't understand, and obviously it's way above my pay grade or current understanding of this whole scenario. But see, science is not done for Nobel Prize. If all of these scientists who won the Nobel Prize, आप उनसे बात करोगे, तो they will say we were completely, not sure, or we were not expecting to win the Nobel Prize, right? That is the essence of it. In scientific pursuit, you are not motivated by the end result. You are motivated by the pursuit of science itself. For me, yes, it does matter that you get recognition. I mean, not just for me, for any scientist, if their work is not recognized, what's the point of doing it, right? I mean, if people don't recognize that this work could mean something, this has some contribution to humanity, or in general, it means that I have further advanced this particular field, what's the point of doing it? So yes, you need recognition, but the motivation has to be internal. So as students, now I'm looking you in the eye, it is your responsibility to work hard. As Indian students, I'm very serious कि आपको काम करना पड़ेगा, मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. There is no substitute for it. मेहनत करो, पढ़ाई करो, CV बनाओ, communication skills अच्छे करो, apply करो programs में, rejection face करो, work harder, work even harder when you fail. So this is what you really have to learn. So yes, थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर की बातें करने के बाद it comes down to the motivational aspect that you really need to think about the people who have built our nation from scratch on the scientific poles, be it Vikram Sarabhai or Bose or Saha. I am not saying just one person. There are huge number of people in the scientific community who have really contributed to the current understanding of what we have as Indian science. There is no such thing as Indian science, but as Indians, when we say that yes, this person belonged to India or was an Indian scientist, that's what we mean. You should be considering कि आपको अपने साइंटिफिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ साथ अपने पर्सनालिटी को भी डेवलप करना है. When you come to a place like this, मैं JSI में हूँ, आप फिर सोचते हो यार, people really like to work. Science is just not about doing what they like. It's also about the fact that they have to enjoy. I see people discussing really niche things on a really deep level, and that's a really good thing. So not just that, I think on a positive note, we can end this video by saying that simply you have to be curious, and you have to be in some sense perseverant, and you have to be crazy, you have to be indignant, you have to be indulgent, you have to be joyful, you have to talk on the street like a fool. A lady just passed by looking at me like I'm crazy. So enjoy the process pretty much. बहुत बकबक कर ली मैंने, तो just want to conclude the video by saying कि अगर आपको a full video चाहिए talking about the Nobel Prize in Physics, do let us know in the comments and that video will be ready for you. अब मेरा इस हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है क्योंकि ये बहुत देर से ट्राइपॉड बना हुआ है. So see you in the next video. All the very best, whatever you want to do. Relevant links are in the description. अगर आपको DRDO में internship करनी है तो उसका लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में है का, कैसे आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो, डिटेल्स, एलिजिबिलिटी, एवरीथिंग. See you later. All the very best. Bye.